In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for a credit card with Synchrony Bank online. Whether you're new to applying for credit cards or just need a refresher, I'll guide you through each step of the process, ensuring you have all the information necessary to complete your application smoothly. To start, you'll want to open up your preferred internet browser. Once you're there, head over to your search engine. I recommend Google for its ease of use, and type in Synchrony Bank. The aim here is to quickly navigate to the official website, ensuring you avoid any potential spoof sites. Once your search results load, look for the official website listing. It should read something like Synchrony, credit cards, financing, marketplace, banking, and more. Click on this link to go directly to their homepage. Now that you're on the Synchrony Bank website, let's navigate to where you can find information about their credit cards. Look for a section that mentions credit cards and financing. It's typically prominently displayed on the home page, somewhere in the main menu or highlighted section. Click on whichever option leads you to more information on credit cards. Once you're in the credit card section, you'll find a variety of credit cards that Synchrony Bank offers. What you want to do here is find the Browse Credit Cards button. This will take you to a page showcasing the full spectrum of credit card options available through Synchrony. Spend a minute or two here reading about the various credit card options. Each credit card can offer different benefits, and matching the card to your needs could save you a lot in fees or even earn you rewards. After deciding which credit card to apply for, look for the Apply button associated with that card. This is typically conspicuous and easy to find near the card's description. Clicking Apply will direct you to the initial page of the application process where you will begin entering your personal details. Now you'll be asked to input the last 4 digits of your social security number or ITIN. This information is critical for verifying your identity and confirming your eligibility for the credit card. After entering these 4 digits, look for the Continue button. This will guide you through the remainder of the application, including sections on income, address, and other necessary personal details. After completing the forms, take a moment to review all the information you entered. Double-check for accuracy to avoid any unintentional delays in the approval process. Ensuring everything is correct will make it much smoother. Then, when you're satisfied, submit your application. Applying for a credit card is an important financial step, so take it seriously and ensure you read through all terms and conditions supplied by Synchrony Bank. Once submitted, you may receive a near instantaneous decision or be informed of a pending period where your application is under review. Either way, the completion of this process will bring you closer to having a new credit card in hand. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide was helpful.